You know, if you're new to the grow market, this is a great time because it's expanding, it's exploding. There's so much legislation in place. There's tremendous opportunity to get involved now.
Well, we're in Kingman, Arizona at a greenhouse facility that we laid out and designed specifically for a sea of green type operation where they're running it through the greenhouse in a production process that allows you to constantly harvest product on a weekly basis. It evens out labor flows, it evens out the logistics of providing that labor, and it provides a consistent flow of product as well.
We've more than doubled in size over the last 8 years, both in revenues and in people. We've hired engineers, information technology professionals. We've hired marketing professionals.
Growlite's really a premium horticultural brand in the marketplace. We were established in 2010. I developed the brand trying to make better products for the marketplace, for the cultivation facilities, for the hobbyist grower. If you look at some of our original designs, we never followed the trend. We were always searching for a better mousetrap. And so I think when you talk about bucking the system, we've always pushed the limits of the design criteria.
We're really trying to get this industry up on the front side of all the legislation, get it transparent, so that we have safe facilities that are safe to operate and that produce a safe, clean product. If you look and see our light is the smallest footprint light on the market, and in a facility like this, with the sun as your major light source, you want to shade your crop from the sun as little as possible. And with the small fixture, we're doing just that. You can imagine if we had a large fixture in an array like this that you see behind me, just how much shade that could produce.
Horticultural lighting has been out there for a long time. We just kind of refined it and made it a little bit of a special project for us. Aubrey has helped in the design, continues to help in that design. So we're looking for almost like a never-ending possibility for the growth of that division.
The OG reflector was Growlite's first reflector. It's our patented design and utility patent reflector. We have concealed vacuum airflow technology in the OG fixture. It's a vertically oriented lamp within that fixture. So what happens when we air cool it is we have an airflow through the fixture that actually goes through the light and dark spaces of the light fixture itself. What that does is pull about half the heat that's produced by that 1,000-watt lamp off of the OG and out of the grow room. The way that the reflector itself is designed on the OG, we actually have a parabolic reflector that's mixed with a hammer tone and a specular style material. The combination of those two and their orientation within the reflector create a very intense 4x4 pattern from about a 36 to 42-inch mounting height. Our OG fixture has design and utility patents that were actually awarded initially for a 17-year period.
Obviously, we have reflector design, which Growlite is known for with its patented design of the air-cooled reflectors, but also the lamp sources now, which have been developed and refined to give a much more full spectrum, which actually emulates the sun a lot more closely than it ever has before. Basically grow a plant underneath these lamps just as good, or if not better than, the sun.
The HDE by Growlite was designed to take advantage of the double-ended lamp format and four-way ducting. We wanted to create the first double-ended vented fixture on the market, or air-cooled fixture on the market. We wanted it to have four-way venting so that the grower would have the versatility and the adaptability to orient and mount that fixture however they needed for however their layout and their tables were set up. The HDE has a very high-performing reflector. We've redesigned the reflector to take advantage of a smaller hammer tone texture on the reflector itself with 95% reflective German aluminum. Our spreads and our uniformity that's coming out of that reflector are second to none. The HSE reflector by Growlite is a mogul-based reflector that's in the same format as the greenhouse style reflector, the HDE, but it uses a mogul-based lamp format rather than a double-ended lamp format. Mogul-based lamps are much more common in the industry. There's a lot more options for wattages and types of lamps in a mogul-based format. And the HSE was designed to provide very even illumination as well over greenhouse tables.
So we're looking at current technologies available as well as developing technologies. So we intend to stay ahead of the curve and provide more control system capability with the products we bring to the horticultural market.
We have a very strong following. The Growlite brand, from day one, we took a very grassroots approach that we got a lot of respect from the industry on, your traditional face-to-face, everyone's just as important as the others.
So Growlite has a solution for every indoor application, for every greenhouse application. We have the OG, the HDE, and the Karma for indoor applications. We have our HSE and our HDE economy fixtures for greenhouse applications. And some of those can be overlapped within the two. Once people have used Growlite fixtures and understand exactly how Growlite goes about creating our fixtures and the light and performance that we provide to our growers, we have a loyal customer for life.
Well, honestly, that's the truth. Lighting is both a science and an art. And you'll find many people that once they enter the lighting industry, they don't leave because it covers both the left brain and the right brain.
Lighting Group, our relationship with our customers and our relationship with our coworkers is very family oriented. Once we have a loyal customer, they're like family to us. And we'll treat them just like family. We'll support them. We'll bend over backwards to make things happen for them. And if they succeed, we succeed.
Well, I personally believe that if you're not investigating this particular portion of the industry, you're missing out on sales.
If you're a new grower and you're looking to get into the marketplace and you're trying to start a small environment, You know, if it's in your closet, if it's in your garage, if it's in a large facility, I think that the best place to start is go to your local hydroponic store, go talk to some of the professionals in the industry, go to a trade show, go search out some of the industry links and find where they're going to be close to you. From start to finish, Growlite is your resource. From a hobbyist to a commercial facility, we have everything you need from the beginning to the end.
We don't play games with just UL listing a component and then calling the complete fixture UL listed. Every line cord is UL listed, every ballast is UL listed, but that doesn't mean the complete fixture is UL listed. Growlite's taken the time to actually take our fixtures as a complete unit and have them listed as a complete unit.